Oh, hey boo, how you doing? You came to this channel to see that earth and ocean palette and you want to see some swatches? I got you, baby. I got you. What's up, my beautiful jazz hands? Welcome back to my channel. Today I am so excited to be reviewing the earth and ocean eyeshadow palette from E.L.F Cosmetics. Can't wait to let you know my thoughts. So if you want to see some swatches and what I think about this palette, keep watching. If you are new to my channel, be sure to click that subscribe button to become part of the Jazz Hands family, and also to click that notification bell so you can be alerted every time I upload new content. Let's get into it. So from top to bottom, we have Trenches, Underwater, Can't Kelp It, Desert Storm, Sahara, and Spruced Up. Now once again from top to bottom, we have Abyss, Drip Drip, Lagoon, Rock Bottom, Gold Rush, and Sun Yourself. As you can see, those top blue colors are very, very rich, and then we get a little bit more subtle on the bottom. So pretty. Look at that color. Gorgeous. Now we have Siren, Oasis, Saltwater, Tundra, Fuji Feels, and Mojave Mommy. Now, as you can see, I tried my very, very hardest with that middle silverish shade because that is the shade that was broken in my palette, and these are very, very subtle. It looks like they're not going to complement my skin tone that much, but we're going to work with them. Still very pretty, but just not for my skin color, as you can see. Alrighty, so I got you guys up close and personal. As usual, brows are done off camera. I use the E.L.F Cosmetics brow and liner duo, and on my lids I primed them with the Maybelline Master Prime eyeshadow primer. So I'm going to go with two different looks on the eyelids so you guys can see how the colors pick up on the lids. So I think I'm going to go more towards the earth side on this side and the ocean on here. So I am going to go in with the same transition shade on both sides. So I'm going to go in with Desert Storm, which is this beautiful shade right here, and we are just going to pack that on to the crease. As you can see, it is kind of looking like a soil kind of color. I know that's like a horrible word, but that is the best way for me to describe this color. And with the same brush, I'm going to just tap off a little bit of the excess, and I'm going to go in with the Mojave Mommy for the earth side, and I'm just going to soften this up a little bit. Then for the earth side, I'm just going to bring that up to the brow bone, and I'm going to smoke her out. So now I'm going to go in with Spruced Up, which is this green shade right here on the end, and I'm going to use a Luxie tapered brush. I'm going to pack that on to the brush, and I'm just going to work that right here as well into the crease to just pick this color up even more. That looks really pretty. Now this is definitely looking more earthy. This looks like a nice little forest so far. It's giving me that I'm in the jungle. I have some greenery and I also have some dirt. Yes, earth. So as I'm getting that color onto this lid, I'm also going to bring it down here to the bottom portion of my lid, and right here the front of my lid as well. Beautiful. Right now I'm going to go in with the NYX Cosmetics HD concealer. I'm going to pack just a little bit of concealer right here on the middle portion of my lid. And this is where I'm going to put a lighter shade. This is how I know where to stop the crease, by lifting the lid just a little bit. And then we're just going to blend her out right here. It's okay if the concealer doesn't look super perfect because we are going to pack this beautiful green color right here, and I'm going to use my finger for this one. Yes. So now I'm going to go right back into Desert Storm, and I'm going to go in with a more precise luxy brush, and I'm going to go right back in to this part right here of my lid. Well, this is right below the brow bone, and we're just going to smoke all of that out even more, and just to pick up the color even more so. Now that we have the earth side looking beautiful, let's go into the ocean side, and I'm gonna go in with a similar eyeshadow BH Cosmetic brush. I think I'm gonna go in with Oasis, which is this beautiful baby blue matte shade, and I'm just going to work that right here above that transition color. That's beautiful. As I'm packing that right on the transition shade, I'm going to smoke it out just a little bit. I've really been wanting to dive into this shade right here, which is Abyss, which is a nice matte navy shade. I'm gonna work that in with a blending brush from E.L.F Cosmetics, and I'm gonna work that right here onto the crease. As you can see, I did get a little fallout. That's okay. I get that with other higher end palettes as well, which is not a huge deal to me. It doesn't bother me at all because I always clean it up. And I'm gonna go right back in with that NYX Cosmetics HD concealer. I'm gonna work that right here onto the middle of the lid. It looks super perfect, but we're gonna work on that. So now we're gonna go in with Lagoon, which is this beautiful chunky glitter baby blue, and this one looks like it's going to be very good for you to apply with your finger because this one has thicker glitter flecks in it. Alright, so that is how my shades are looking so far. I'm going to clean up, add some lashes, do the rest of my face, and I'm gonna come right back. I'm gonna bring you in a little closer just so you can see what the colors are looking like up close. So as you can see, I definitely do need to blend this out a little bit more. Keep in mind, I am a beginner, I am not a pro. But as you can see, as I mentioned before, the fallout that is right here, but that is what that side is looking like. And then over here, look how beautiful that is. You know, with richer shades like this, you are bound to get some kind of fallout, even with high-end palettes. So it's not something that I consider to be such a bad thing. You just wipe it off. This is the reason why I do my eyes before I apply the rest of my face, because of situations like this. It happens, y'all. But the colors look very beautiful, very rich. And I'm just going to blend this out just a little bit more off camera, do the rest of my face, apply lashes, all that goodness, and I'll be right back. So this is the completed look, guys. I'm really digging these colors. Do I feel like it is worth $14? Absolutely. This is a really great palette. I am excited to get my replacement palette because I really want to get into that silver shade because it looks very beautiful. I do, however, feel like this side, the yellowish and brownish side, works a little bit better with my complexion. I just feel like it just popped a little bit more, so I think it's very beautiful. I am a huge fan. Love the crap out of Gold Rush. This one, Underwater, was my absolute fave. The reason why I love those two shades in particular is because for a beginner like me, shadows like this, I don't have to do that much. They glide seamlessly onto the skin. They look really gorgeous, and those are my top two colors in this palette. Let me know in the comment section below, are you feeling the earth side or are you feeling the ocean side? Let me know, and also let me know if you plan on picking up this palette as well in the comment section below. This is Jazz with Jazupmystyle. Till next time, y'all, spread love,